The attraction effect. What is it? How does it work? And why does it matter? In a demonstration of the attraction effect, you start with what is called the binary core set. The binary core set is made up of two similar items. They are the same kind of thing, but one costs more and is of higher quality, and the other costs less and is of lower quality. When presented with the binary core set, participants prefer them about equally. There is no clearly better option. In the example presented here, half of the participants chose the expensive, high-quality Godiva bar, and half of the participants chose the cheap, low-quality Hershey's bar. Now let's say we add a third option. This third option is a decoy because it is clearly inferior to the other two options. It is the same low quality as the Hershey's bar and the same high price as the Godiva bar. So it is no surprise that no one chooses this third option. What is interesting, however, is that adding this third irrelevant option shifts people's preferences for the original chocolate bars. When the high price, low quality option is included, the preference for the first two options is no longer evenly split. Now, more people prefer the high price, high quality option. In other words, adding an irrelevant option flipped some people's preference from the cheap option to the expensive option. This is the attraction effect. And as you may have inferred, this can be a super useful marketing tactic. If you want customers to choose the expensive product, the target product, add a decoy that makes it look like more of a deal. In this example, the target and decoy were the same price and differed in terms of their quality. It is also possible to hold the quality consistent and manipulate price instead. Let's go back to the same binary core set, a $4 Godiva bar and a $1 Hershey bar. This time we're going to add a Godiva bar as our decoy. It's the exact same as the Godiva bar in our binary core set, it just costs more. So again, no one buys this option. And we see the attraction effect again. Adding this third irrelevant option shifts people's preference in favor of the original high price, high quality option. Compared to the $6 decoy, that $4 Godiva bar looks like a steal. Now, in a real-world marketing scenario, we wouldn't want identical products at different prices. So what do? For the high-quality, higher-price decoy, you would use something that is equal to or slightly better than the high-quality, high-price option. And for the low-quality, high-price decoy, you would use something that is equal to or slightly better than the low-quality, low-price option. So, stepping away from marketing applications, what does this mean for our psychology? Traditionally, we've thought of preferences as stable. You prefer A over B and that's it. End of story. However, what the attraction effect shows us is that what we prefer can be affected by context. In this case, the context is the decoys, the other options on the shelf. When faced with a new decision, we don't necessarily immediately know what we want. In these cases, we infer our preferences from the information that is available to us, which is often limited.